2019 was an impressive year in the small cap market. What are your thoughts on the overall market?
It was quite a year. We've had the trade wars and the China conversations and all sorts of other things. What was really different is mega cap kind of peaked out in July. The superstars, the FANGs, etc. And who knows why. What is clear is that August 27th, there was a sudden shift in the market tone.
So we saw that rotation at that time, and at that time you saw small do better, you saw microcaps do better.
Microcap did much better, small did better, cyclical did better. Everything did better except momentum and the super mega caps. And that has approximately persisted till now, a little bit less so this year.
Can you talk to your investors a little bit about how you think about holding periods now in some of these stocks in your portfolio?
I very much believe that valuation is important, but it's probably not the most important thing, especially in these compounders that we tend to favor in Premier. So what we're doing is trying to understand how durable the compounding effect is in the particular stock. Valuation will enter into it, both in how we treat it when we have opportunities to buy it in volatility periods. And we have sort of stopped buying the very, very higher capitalization and higher multiple stocks.
Where are you finding opportunity in the market today?
Having the microcap act better has reminded us that that is a big area of opportunity for us, and we are rolling up our sleeves and doing a lot more microcap work that can fit nicely into virtually all of our portfolio. So a theme that we continue to use is, first place, we're always looking for in the underperforming areas. Now, energy has been a big underperformer in the last 5 years, and we're looking in there. We're adding to some of our energy service companies, some of the very high quality companies that do well no matter what the price of oil is. So that's an area that we are definitely looking at. We're also looking at these themes in our more cyclical companies where automation is part of what they are delivering to the customer. We love what looks like sleepy companies that actually have an edge, and the edge would be automation and providing labor-saving equipment to the customer.
We turn the page on a new decade now that we're in 2020. You've talked about being in a lower return environment, but the importance of earnings is going to become increasingly more important.
Absolutely. We will not have multiple expansion in the next 5 years. We had that play largely generated by rates coming down, way down, over the 10-year period. So that phase is over, and we will have, I think, a more normal market, maybe higher volatility, where earnings will be critical.
So as you think about the next decade, how do you think it's going to be different than the decade we just completed?
I think small caps will be a leader. I think we will have, in general, a lower return profile for the whole decade, and I think it'll be a stock picker's market.